plant and animal cell structure. This is a plant cell. Looking at the structure of a plant cell, on the outside you have the cell wall made of cellulose, which keeps the shape of the cell, but it's also completely permeable, so everything can get through it. Luckily, just inside the cell wall, you have the cell membrane. The cell membrane is selectively permeable and controls what goes in and what comes out of the cell. For example, sugars and amino acids come in and waste products go out. Inside the cell is cytoplasm. So this cytoplasm is a liquid in which everything is suspended. It also contains enzymes. Ribosomes are small organelles suspended in the cytoplasm, and they are where proteins are made. Another small thing suspended in the cytoplasm are the mitochondria, and they aid respiration. Chloroplasts are also in the cytoplasm, and they contain chlorophyll, which absorbs light energy for photosynthesis from the sun. Now the chloroplasts are green, as shown in this picture, but the rest of the things are just colours so that you can see the difference. And the chloroplasts and the chlorophyll inside them are what makes the plant look green, is what makes leaves look green. So also in the cell you have the nucleus, and the nucleus just controls what goes on inside the cell. Finally, there is a large permanent vacuole in the centre of the cell. It's so called because it's quite big and because it's always there. Now when the cell has a lot of water, this gets absorbed by the vacuole, which contains cell sap as well, and it presses out on the cytoplasm, which presses out on the cell membrane, which presses against the cell wall. And this is what makes the plant hard or turgid. Now, if the plant, and therefore its cells, lose too much water, then they become what's called flaccid, which means that they aren't as strong anymore. For example, if you leave carrots too long in your fridge, you'll notice they'll go wobbly because they haven't had enough water.